Ever wanted to pair your smartphone's processing power with a larger screen for more PC-like multitasking setup? More recent flagship phones are powerful enough for this, like Samsung Galaxy flagships and Google's newer Pixel flagships. You still need the basics, that is the keyboard, trackpad, port, speaker, and a battery. That's where NexDock come in. The company has been working with Lapdock for nearly a decade, and its latest model, NexDock 6, is officially available in stock and shipping worldwide. The biggest upgrade comes in form of a display. It gets a 14-inch Full HD plus display with 16:10 ratio. We rated up with 400 nits of peak brightness with 100% sRGB color space coverage. The trackpad has been reworked from ground up, addressing one of the weaker points of earlier model. According to the company, the new trackpad offers improved responsiveness, better palm rejection, more reliable multi-finger gesture support across Android devices. Audio has been improved with two watts bottom firing speakers. Battery capacity is rated at 38 watt hour, and NextDock claim up to 6 to 7 hours of real world use at medium brightness. The USB-C video port can charge a connected device at a 5 watt 2 ampere, up from 5 watt 1 ampere of previous generation, means your phone can actually gain charge while being used. It's priced at $229 with shipping, taxes, and duties included for supported regions. Orders ship from Hong Kong to more than 30 countries, including US, much of Europe, Asia, and Oceania. NextDock said local US inventory is expected to arrive in early 2026.